Maybe she eats cauliflower, huh?
Mm.
And she's wearing now this. Explain what she's wearing.
No, we found, of course, food was going everywhere, so now she's wearing this new art smock
Yes.
to
Which
protect her clothes, and it's brilliant. It's got long sleeves. Here you go.
Protect her clothes and protect the parents also, no? Because also we get, in the end we get also
And she
little
loves her
mess.
spaghetti.
Ah, spaghetti.
Oh, but you have to feed her the soup.
Yes. If she gives me the opportunity.
Now she's also big enough to see over the plate.